Hey, this is your favorite tech with another tutorial. Be sure to check us out on our website or text us if you need tech support. All right, guys, in this video, I'm going to show you very quickly how to download Windows SQL or MySQL on your Windows 10, 8, or 7 computer. You can use it for any one of those operating systems. All right, first thing we're going to do is open a web browser. I prefer Google Chrome. You can use whatever you want. I want you to start off by going to Google and then type in MySQL. And then the first one will go up is mysql.com. Go ahead and go there. When you get there, actually select the downloads little link that should already be there, or you can go inside and find downloads. But I'm gonna click downloads at mysql.com. All right, so once you're at the site, you're gonna go all the way down, and what we're looking for is MySQL Community Edition, GPL. Click that, gonna take you to the next site, and we're looking for a Pacific 1. All right, what we're looking for is Community Server. So it looks like it's right here, MySQL Community Server. Click that. Basically, it's asking which operating system you're running. We're using a Windows. And then eventually we're going to hit download. Next, you're going to select, all right, once you select your operating system, you're going to go ahead and go to the download page. Once you get to the download page, you're going to select your download right here. We're doing x86-36 installer. The first one, if you don't have an Oracle account, you're going to just say no thanks. Plus, you don't want to log in anyways. And then it's going to start downloading right here. And we're just going to go through the install process. Pretty straightforward. So I assume if you're downloading MySQL Server, you already know where you want to use it and what you're trying to do. So go ahead and just pick what best worked for you, and just go ahead and go through the little menu next until you get everything installed. Now, obviously, you can click if you want to do MySQL Server 12 or 8 using Python. Really, it's really up to what you're planning on using, and then you're going to just go through the entire process until it's installed. And so once you get everything installed, it will be installed, and that's how you get MySQL Server download. Hey, if you found this video valuable, go ahead and return the favor by liking and subscribing to this channel. If you subscribe, type the phrase "I subscribed" in the comment section below. Keep in mind, when you subscribe, it motivates us to continue to make these free videos. Lastly, if you enjoy learning about technology, entrepreneurship, or making money online, go ahead and check out my other videos on my other channel. Thanks for your support.